So I'm going to show you how to make this little thingy. It's really called a crochet mask ear saver. And it's a thing that you put on the back of the mask like this to save your ears. Like when you have just the rubber bands like that. See? So it saves your ears and it goes behind the back of your head. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a simple, easy one. So I have linked at the bottom all the information, all the instructions, all you need for this mask saver, and also link to people that you can go and find how to make masks from. I made 3 different types of masks from 3 different places, but I'm going to link that so that you can see to where to go to make it. I'm not reinventing the wheel. Enough people are showing on YouTube how to make masks. So for the saver, I start with a slip knot and I chain 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whoops, 12, 13, 14, 15. And in the second chain from hook, so it's 1, 2, I do 2 half double crochet. So 1, 2. And then I continue putting 1 half double crochet into each chain until I get to the last chain. And when I get to the last chain, we will put 3 half double crochet in the last chain. Right. So we're at the last one and we put 3 half double crochet. Now I like to work over the edges of my my tail so I don't have so much fixing to do. So I'll work over the edge of this, and we're gonna work in these little loops here that we left from working the first set of half double crochet. So it's like the back loops or the original loops. I don't know, you would call them anything you want. I'm just gonna work in those. Oops, let me just pull this a little tighter and show you. We're just working in every loop. After putting that 3 double crochet in the last chain, I just work in every loop going across. And that's pretty much it. And I went through all my buttons to see if I have at least ½ inch or more buttons to add to these savers. You need at least a ½ inch to a 1 inch button. I think a 1 inch would be even better. I couldn't find any that were flat. I have a lot of fancy buttons. So I just went with these ones that I could find. If you can see, some of them don't really match, but honestly, it's what you're using them for. These ones match. They're cute. These ones match. So anyway, when I finish there, let's get back to this. I put a slip stitch in the second, I should say, second chain of that 2 chain to start. And then I just hook this and I end off. All you need for this is an H hook, which is a 5mm, a scissors, your yarn. That's pretty much it. And then you need sewing needle with thread and 2 buttons for each. I will just weave this in after, but that's it. It's an easy pattern. So you could look below and you'll see the actual written instructions. If you're not someone that like to use video, I have the actual written instructions. This is how most of my clients like it. They like written instructions, not video. I know there's a lot of people that do like video, especially the younger folks, but just go and check it out and have fun making it. Yes, I will give all the sizing in the description box below. But I'm just showing you how I did my templates, and I actually just draw them out on the material when I'm ready to use them. So the first one I did was Mimi G, and I actually my husband drew this up from sorry, from one of her friends that did the measurements. He followed her and drew this up, and I'm gonna link her page as well below. And this is the sizes I came up. So this is the original size, and then I made a smaller one for kids, as I said, 3 to 10 years, and one for a man. So all of them I did a ½ inch bigger than the other, and it fit perfect for a small child, me, which is a woman, and my husband. And then for the pleated version, I'm going to link this person below as well. I can't remember their names, some of them. Beside Mimi G, I can't remember no name. And I'm going to link that below too. And then the last one is from the cdc.gov coronavirus website. And I'm going to link that below as well. And I followed their this one, which is a bigger one. And I made it a little smaller so it could fit a child. So this one will fit a man, woman, or teen, just as in this one, man, woman, or teen. It's only Mimi G one that I did 3 different sizes, because I found that her original size, this one, was a little too small for my husband. So I went out, as I said, a ½ inch on every side. Just redrew it a ½ inch bigger. I didn't do a new thing like this, a new full stack thing. Oh, that was, I would never have been able to do that. My husband is good at this stuff, so thank goodness he helped me. And as I said, I'm gonna link where I got all these below, and you could follow mine because I have all the sizing too that's gonna be there. I'm not reinventing the wheel in no which way. I'm just showing you different options, and you can decide which one is easiest for you to make. I found them all pretty easy because I am a sewist, so because I sew, it wasn't a problem for me. But for someone that don't sew, maybe one of these more regular, like the government one or the pleated one, might be easier. I know the government one is very, very easy. I'll show you what they came out as well after this. Thank you for watching this part.